Okay, so this is my 1957 Ford Thunderbird, all original numbers matching with the 312 V8. I recently inherited it from my great uncle in Ducktown, Tennessee, where my dad is from. It's red on white and has been appraised and certified to be true and accurate on the mileage of original 50,200 miles. Has a hard top but no soft top. Actually has power windows and power seat that was from the factory. Is in absolute pristine condition and truly a blast to drive. And stay tuned, because in a few weeks I'll be videoing my 1968 Ford Mustang that I bought after selling the 05 black on black Mustang that is on my channel. Thanks for watching.